Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel once again. This is Tech Trust Ghana Limited. Today it's not going to be about laptops, it's going to be about receipt printers. And the talking is going to be less because we are going to work. Okay, so today we are going to change the thermal head of this receipt printer. I received this from a client and it was faint. Usually when it's faint, it's got to do with the thermal head. So we are replacing the thermal head. I have purchased the thermal head and this is how it looks like. So this is the thermal head. It's going in there to replace the old thermal head. Just follow me through the process.